Hi, my name is Dr. Kaur, and I'm going to give you my office tour today. This is our reception, and now we are going to look at these lovely ladies. This is Teresa, and this is Jaskirat.
Hello.
They help us take care of all the insurance and coordinate the insurance benefits. And now we are going to go in here and show you the back area. And right here is our consult room, and this is where we do all the treatment, talk to the patients and everything. And these are our treatment rooms, and this is my assistant Tammy. She helps me take care of all this stuff. And this is our second room right here. And now we're gonna go back and see our hygienist. Hi, Rachel.
Hi.
Say hello to everybody. This is Rachel, our hygienist. She takes care of all the patients' hygiene and does good job. And now we're gonna see my other assistant. Let's see where she is. This is Megan.
Hi.
Say hello, Megan.
Hi.
Megan helps us take care of all the stuff, and this is our lab. And we all are so proud of providing good care for our patients and treat our patients like a family member. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.